Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun is here. You're new to this channel. I want to welcome you, and if you are returning, thank you very much for being with us, and also for growing this community. On today's video, I want to talk about this CGZG.net. Actually, I've learned my lesson in that way in the platform that I've been recommending to my subscribers on this platform, right? So if anybody introduce any platform to me, I will make sure that I dig deep very well before I venture into it. So when someone actually introduced this CGZG to me, immediately I open it, actually made me remember a particular platform that I saw some times ago. So immediately I saw it, I have to, go quickly because they look similar. The same design, exactly this how it operates. That is how this platform, CG platform also operates. So I quickly start making my research, and guys, I got some red flags that would not make me to do this. So that is what I actually want to talk about right here. But before I do that, so what are they doing right here? This guy said they are actually trading cryptocurrency like BTC, USDT. And they have if you come to trade, if you click on trade right here, so they actually have a Telegram platform where they drop signals. And the people are actually saying and also they promise 5% that if you started trading with their signals, you make 5% of your capital every blessed day. So they drop signal based on either a rise or fall, and once you enter their signal, the countdown now depends on countdown. So once the countdown gets 0, then you make some profit, and that is exactly how the platform that I'm talking about is also working, right? So now that one now make me to go to the platform is actually a Bitstream. I don't know, you may know it, Bitstream cycle. So when I got to Google right here, the first thing that I saw is Kenyans lose millions of dollars to yet another, a cryptocurrency Ponzi scheme called Bitstream, right? So then I opened this. So I got some information on this platform. I'm going to drop this link on the description below so that you also go through it. But before I go further, I'm just talking on this video based on my own research and opinion. So, and what I discovered, I never said you should go and trade there, or you should not go. It depends on your own. You can go and do your own research to see if it is a platform that you think you can make money there. I never stop you, right? I'm not criticizing them, but I'm making this video based on what I discovered. That is why I'm making this video, so that maybe I've been thinking on, maybe someone has been talking to you about this platform before, that you should go and trade on this platform, so that you know maybe it's actually worth risking to put where you can put your money. News right here, as you can see, Kenyans lose millions of dollars to yet another cryptocurrency scam, Bitstream cycle. The same pattern, the same system. That is what they're actually using right here. You can see $10 million investors stole away $10 million from investors. Then I saw some things actually right here. Let me just scroll down. So now I saw something that is where I know what actually grabbed my attention and said that, oh, this is actually crazy. I think this conversation, I don't know, I think it's from one of the brains behind the Bitstream circle. All right, so now the conversation with probably it's one of the investors, right? So you can see it's a race. See you on the next plan. Bye. I'm living a luxurious life with your dollars. Those who make money to withdraw, if you have invited friends, wait to be killed by your recommenders, idiots. See you on next plan. There will be time to meet. African, African, whatever that is put there. Now said, dear African, whatever that put there. So, and he said, hello, you low race, lowly race, ungrateful head. You held dumps. Congratulations for being cheated. CG is waiting for you. Can you see that? Now, CG is waiting for you. Look at that. Now, I want to tell you that CG is mine too. Dare to play tricks on me, idiots. Well, I know you are outraged, African, a bunch of brainless race. See you on next plan. Bye. All right, so this is what I just have right here to share with you guys, and here is CG that we are talking about. So guys, and then let's go to their about. There's something that I want to check there. About us, right? So let me quickly check something on about us right here. So all right, so this is where I'm actually coming from. You can say an interview with the CEO and
Hello everyone, I'm Barnett, the founder of CNG Exchange. I'm glad to introduce CNG and crypto trading. We believe that the era of crypto trading has been rolling in. Only by maintaining
what I actually want to say right here is because this this particular video, we've been seeing it. For example, if you go to COPT, there's another platform called the COPT. You can just get a COPT, is it .com or whatever. You see COPT. So they have the same, almost the same video, the same background of the video, the same background of this CEO video. They also did their CEO interview as well, and almost the same person, the same video background. Well, guys, I do not really want to say much and waste your time about this review that I'm making right here. So, but to me, these guys, they might be paid now, but very soon, they might pack and your heart sweat money, right? So this is what I just have for you guys, and actually, I want to know your views. What do you think about this platform in the comment section below? And if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscription button and the notification bell so that whenever we drop a new content, YouTube will notify you that we just drop a new content. Thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun.